Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Guys Estate. Today we want to unbox the Blackview A30. Please subscribe, we'll be right back. Welcome back guys. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. So let's just unbox our Blackview A30. So now let's check out our Blackview A30. Yeah, it came with a condom case here. You can see it here. The condom case black. So you can see the phone right there, designed by Blackview, assembly in China. It has two dual camera, 8 megapixels, and this in the middle is the flashlight. Then we have the front camera here, 5 megapixels, and the earpiece, the earphone jack, the USB charging port, and the speaker. You can see it here. The phone is not an inbuilt phone. The battery is removable. Let's open the back here and see. As you can see here, here is the battery that has been sealed, and here is the SIM port. The down part of the SIM is where you insert the SIM 1, and the top is where you insert the SIM 2 and the memory card. This is a Nano SIM. So let's on our phone and check it out. Let's on the phone and see how it works. So right here is the full screen of the Blackview A30. You can see it has a notch screen like the iPhone, and you see it has a notch screen like the iPhone, and the okay, wow, this is the phone. I think the terms of the phone is kind of ugly, but the phone is okay, sha. Phone is okay. So let's check out the settings of the phone. The settings. The phone has the where's the storage? Okay, total room of the phone is 16 gig and 3 gig has been used. So let's check out the RAM. So the RAM is, it has a 2 gig RAM and 16 gig ROM. So finish setup. So let so this I think the back camera is kind of okay. You can see the back camera is clear and cool. Let's check out the front camera. Oh man, you can see it. Too much light. Alright. So this is what we have for you for the Blackview A30.